Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabula ads or like that things from your HAFURY GT20. So if you see something like that in your notification bar or the spammy pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show you the first method. Open the settings, look for the apps and notifications, and tap on the CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it, click on install and click OK. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Choose storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and tap on the OK. And now after that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. So in my case it's Avast, so we can launch it now. Tap on the start scan and allow app permissions. Tap on the allow again, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.